To create a foreign TikTok account, you need only 3 easy steps. 1. Your phone. 2. A browser. 3. A working VPN. 1. Open your phone and go to Play Store or Apple Store. 2. Start by searching for VPN USA or download a working VPN of any type. If you already have one, open and connect. Select UK or USA and connect. 3. Open your mobile browser and type www.tiktok.com, sign up. Wait for it to load. After loading, you will see sign up with your Google account or your phone number. Please select Google account. Creating the account, log in with your app. After logging in, click on the 3 dots and select Creator Tools. Once you see Creativity Program Beta, congratulations and enjoy your account. If you have any question, ask you a question in a comment below, and don't forget to hit the follow button and subscribe to our channel for more content.